So let's have a look at what are idioms. What are they? So words or phrases, often phrases that mean something different from what they say. So here's the words, but they mean something else. An expression, a phrase. So couch potato is a very good example. Someone who is lazy, and watches TV. Or maybe just someone who is lazy. He's a bit of a couch potato. On Sunday, she likes to be a couch potato. If you stay there too much, you'll be a couch potato. Makes sense. Hit the sack. The sack, hit the sack. To go to sleep. Sleep. It is late, I'll hit the sack. I'll go for a drink, but after that I need to hit the sack. When I hit the sack last night, I was very tired, fell asleep straight away. But on Saturday night, when I hit the sack, I couldn't sleep. I was excited for Sunday to go biking. How cool is that? Down in the dumps. Down in the dumps. To be sad. Sad. Since then, he has been down in the dumps. Often, he feels down in the dumps when that happens. When he goes there, he might be down in the dumps. He doesn't know how to get out. Well, he doesn't know. He's down in the dumps. He doesn't know how to get out. Makes sense. Yeah, makes sense. Yeah, so how cool is that? Words or phrases that mean something different from what they say. Couch potato, lazy. Hit a sack, go to sleep. Down in the dumps, to be sad. How cool is that, language explorers? Let's keep exploring.